Good evening. At home of cricket, Sherebangla National Cricket Stadium. I'm lucky as a lucky person. Got somebody here. Just Hamza Choudhury. His iconic Hamza. Just mimic Hamza and his friends. So welcome to Crickline 24's English-based sports channel.
I'm the very happiest look like Hamza and personal life is very person life carries not time play boys Hamza gallery te apnar selfie Hamza is Bangladesh team is good lucky for day karon Hamza is come back Bangladesh team. I am very happy. Is a big fan Hamza.
Fantastic. Do you know the Hamza Choudhury is playing for Leicester City? Do you know when is the Hamza's next match for Leicester City?
Obviously, he's a good-looking player. I am very happy. It's a confidence. I am a good, lucky man. Bangladesh team, Hamza is carry. Football is a long time journey. It's a very long, hard team, Bangladesh.